Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. If you don't like gummies, even though mine have collagen for gut health, you can make these Halloween Rooster shortbreads instead. They're great when you break your fast and have a coffee with cream and sea salt and a splash of vanilla. Yum. Gather these ingredients. 1 stick of unsalted butter cut into cubes at room temperature, 1 cup of monk root sweetener or brown erythritol, 1 tablespoon and a half of baker's syrup to hold the dough together, 3 cups unbleached white baker's flour, food coloring to change the rooster from that plain yellowy color. I'll try mixing colors, see what happens. Step 1. Preheat oven on 140 degrees Celsius, fan bake, then add monk fruit sweetener, butter and tablespoon and a half of baker's syrup. In your dough mixer, mixing until it's creamy. I'm using the steel paddle attachment to catch the sides. Step 2. When it's creamy, add 2 3/4 cups of flour and mix thoroughly. Then add coloring of choice and mix them on low until combined and it changes color. I'm using black, purple and dark red. I'm going for a goth look since it's Halloween. Prepare a baking paper with parchment paper scrunched up and have your cooling rack on hand. Step 3. Using clean hands, squish the mixture together into a large ball while it's in the dough mixer bowl to make sure it's mixed well with the syrup and binds together. You can break the mix into 2 and knead them separately. It might be easier and is what I should have done, but I made the mistake and fixed the problem so you don't have to repeat it. Then, with the remaining flour sprinkled on the bench, place the mixture, then knead about 1 centimeter thick. Then grab your cutter, I have this rooster shape, and cut out the shortbreads to fill the baking tray lined with scrunched up baking paper. Step 4. The dough looks scary as it is. The color looks creepy like intestines or something. Slow bake at 140 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 55 minutes or until lightly brown. Place a cooling rack on your bench. Step 5. When the timer goes off, transport the shortbreads to a cooling rack. Be careful, they might be crumbly when hot, so let them cool for about 5 minutes, then grab the edges of the baking paper and remove the pan. And I have collagen vanilla icing left over from the last recipe, so I'll use it on these to make them even tastier. I failed, so I just made eyeballs. Hopefully you'll do better. Make a coffee while they cool and enjoy a delicious shortbread with a sip of coffee. It's heavenly. Enjoy a healthier and happier Halloween. Be seeing you.